Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. First of all, let me start by saying a happy New Year's to every one of you out there. My prayers for everyone this year is whatever we've set our mind to do, we will accomplish it. That is my prayer for every one of us on this channel, whether you subscribe or not, whatever. But if you've seen this video, that's my prayer for us for this year. Set your goals and go at it. If you have any New Year resolutions, whatever they may be, just put your mind to it. You will get there, whatever you're trying to get to. So, oh God, we're back with another video, man. Let's react quickly to this one. Oh, by the way, if you just seen this channel for the first time, over here we just react to funny comedy skits from TikTok. Basically, we're just trying to laugh, have a nice time, enjoy the vibes. It's all positive vibes. It's been positive vibes, and it going to be positive vibes throughout the end of the year. So no negativity allowed. Let's check out the video. So bro is shaping someone's hair and admiring a fine girl, and he's spoiling someone's hair. Not even spoiling, he's destroying someone's hair. What the person asked for is not what he's getting at all. And he's dreaming. Bro is daydreaming while shaping someone's hair. Amazing. Very amazing. And now she's gone. Bro woke up, his girl is gone. That is so bad. It's not even looking like something you can save. Like, you can't even save it. It's just dead. What he asked for is so no. It's not even close. It's not even about like the big gap, but like the shape. It's not even close. He didn't take the money as well. and bro thinks he did him a favor. That's crazy. He hasn't seen it yet, so he doesn't have a mirror in a barber salon. He's gone. If it were you, would you stay back? You closed that. That's the end of your barbering career. Like that's the last time you cut someone's hair ever in your life. Sheesh. It reminded me when I was young. It reminded me when I was young, and I would go. It reminded me when I was young, and I would go cut my hair. And I'll come back, but my dad would not like the kind of hairstyle that I got. So he would send me back to the barber and he would take everything off. Yeah, that was funny.
No, baby! No, my man! No, Colerion. Well, I'm well.
Obong Pablo, no be all those kind of, we don't pass this level, I be.
No, my man. Nah, bring deal on.
Come, Obong, not be this your $5 deal or your $10 deal. Not be this kind of money you carry on the disturb my house, I don't tell you. If na $5 or na $10 deal you carry on here, Obong, they go back your house.
No, baby. I go leave my house by this time. Even if you don't see this time, I go leave my house by this time of the day. Come meet you for $10. No, now. Do I come with better business now?
Obong, so if this deal drop, we go buy Tesla.
We go drop am once.
Obong, bring deal, how much?
Well, the money na everything money on. But then, let's start from $20.
Obong, you can't leave your house this morning, come my house, they tell me to make a happy pick $20.
For $20.
Obong, so me I go there 20 years for Ghana, come back Nigeria, come they pick $20.
But
Obong,
the
you want a
blings, though.
stress baby, oh. You want
The
a stress
blings.
baby, they forget say they need a stress baby. Now my house, I go pick $20, I go front, I go back for life. Obong, you gonna calm down.
Now me the chat bong. It a raise voice for me say
Why is bro sweating like that?
You can't
Look
come
at
here.
his shirt,
Obong,
he's
I don't
wet.
blame you. Now because say now you know the
Why
same
is he
SK for me.
sweating like
I
that?
make you no get respect. I don't blame you.
You dey talk about SK. SK, when I me beg, when them bring you, come on.
I mean, who be as a man here?
Okay, na me. Come on, calm down there. I dey be chairman.
Obong, you be as a man. See this small boy, you. Baba, na me be as a man. They call me Undu baby. I'm the son of a praying mother. My mama dey church, they pray, they house, they work. My mama grace cover my house. If I pay 2 years, nothing go do.
Baba, they follow person when I'm mama crazy, they cover am. With me, where they quarrel with my mama. But I still get all you for it. He won't live self-made grace. Follow mother-made grace.
Baba, listen to me. Your current doings, na person throw back. Na person will work for night, now they chop for money. Me nobody want you.
Baba, even person will work for night. Sometimes they dey even job for money, no.
You see as you did now.
True.
My spirit no really accept you. As this guy we are white, my spirit just say man I work with them because he be like who they genuine.
No problem. Obang Pablo, they challenge me for this as a man work. He didn't no challenge.
Baba, follow me, tell I beg.
See, I just $10,000. I want me help me pick. My mother dey hospital, she dey very sick, she know where. And my brother with the US, now I won't send this money. No.
$10,000. That's small money now. Just wait for me. No baby, calm down.
You went to ask for the account.
$10,000. Even drop that $10,000 now. We'll give him 7. Collect $3,000. I collect 2, give you $1,000. You know what I mean?
What you want me to do for you?
I'm gonna give me as a show one on.
Which country?
Now US.
Yeah, go cheese.
I dey come, my man. Okay, don't see now. Bring your phone now. Make I drop the. Make I drop aside. You don't see. Send him for your brother now. Send him na very sure one, no be.
Sir. Don't send me screenshot.
No, it's the same fine. Just wait for me. I dey come.
Thank you.
Ndo baby. The money don't drop.
You don't drop.
It don't drop because the man even show me receipt now. See, now you could transfer $7,000 for the man. Then send 2 for me. You hold 1.
Obang go need to reach bank.
Which one come be bank again now? For something where them transfer come bank no stop.
Obang, calm down now. Obang, this is a new account. I know if you run that kind of transfer, we go need to reach bank. Ma dey inside bank run the transfer.
More no talk too much. More they go the bank. Okay? You guys go bank.
Azaman. Every other day now, Azaman. That's crazy. That's in Lagos.
Now you go just fast bring this money now.
Baba, calm down now. Not be bank with that.
Go to the bank.
Fidelity Bank.
Now call this your guy now. My mama dey hospital.
Okay, you go calm down. This
He
is your
just
failure.
left.
How much you
Why you?
$10,000?
Why is he in a rush?
You know be that. He dey shout money. Wait, my call him. Ndu baby. He don't bring the money, make you go come out for here now.
Obang Pablo, I said, I mean, on a bank I dey go now. I dey come.
The dog see they come. You go they calm down. Small.
See now, see, call him again. I bet Moko know where. Don't want me calm down.
My put him for last speaker.
The number you're trying to call don't run. Money don't die for Azar.
Wow.
Who told me money don't die for us now? Who told me money don't die for us? Who killed the money for us now? My mama dey hospital now. What kind of nonsense with this one now?
Obang Pablo. Street. Don't run street.
Out on street. Yo. What would they do in that situation? That's crazy. The real goat.
Is that not Franca's boyfriend?
Damn.
Oh, it's true. He's the one. Jesus. Hello, Franca. I
Take
just
a
saw
picture.
your boyfriend now. They told me to 291. Nah. He's with another girl.
It's a wedding.
Alpha bro, you should just stupid for there. Delay their order.
Can I have it? Let's have it.
Damn.
She's on.
My sister, I don't fix the tire, eh? More to go. Oh, sorry. Did my sister ask you to join her on this table?
What be this?
I don't tell you now. I'm not the toast boys. That boy supposed to toast you. Hey, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, eh? My sister has been single now, and she thinks that because of her condition, she can never get a boyfriend. So she's always going after guys.
Oh my God.
I'm so sorry. Very touching.
What the hell?
This one. My mom will step forever. I know they play with them.
Bro went through all that stress just to help his fellow guy he didn't even know from nowhere. Bought a wheelchair,
Why would you be embarrassing me like
entered
that
Okada.
in public?
Sorry now. You know I love you.
Now why will they call am go?
That's the goat.
He dey always turn up. He go turn up. He go turn up.
Oh, mo, that's the goat. Bro went through
Hello,
all
fine girl.
that. Damn.
How are you? Oh, sorry, I've seen a woman before.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I'm a woman.
Yeah, woman. Let me turn her back. Woman, the straight like this. Your back join with your nyash.
Nah, listen. Nah, what we're not about to do is reduce women to just nyash and breast. Nah, we're not doing that. Nah, we're not doing that. But we like nyash though, but still we're not doing that. We're not doing that, bro. A lady is more than just nyash and titties, you feel me? Nah, we're not doing that, bro. She's a lady, don't do that. She's still a lady, bro. She's still a woman.
Are you from Zimbabwe?
Yes.
Ah, no wonder. They don't open border for now. What's be your name?
What does that mean?
Stone. Oh, no wonder. Mama.
What do you mean?
Nah, okay, listen. I know I was saying all that, but I meant all that, but like, why is your name Stone? Who would name a female child Stone? That's your name? You have to go change that name, I beg. Even with that name, they would think you're a man. Like, nah, come on, bro. John Stones? Stone Cold Steve Austin? Nah.
Don't
Damn.
worry. I've seen a woman before. No vex. Ross, Ebuka. Later now.
Ebuka is wild. He said Ebuka.
Baby. Baby, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Baby, you know, I'm the most beautiful girl in town. I love my mom. I love my dad. Baby, I have many things to tell you, baby.
What is it?
Bro,
Baby, I
what
love
is this?
you.
They are
Baby,
definitely
But we are
Ghanaians.
dating.
Yes, I know, but
What's
I
that?
want you to propose again. What have I done to you? Baby, you know, it's a new edition. If I'm there, things happen to my soul. So getting married to you is a murder. Look, baby, I'm talking nonsense, baby. Propose again.
Your boyfriend is talking nonsense.
No, it's come invisible. Baby, propose again. I love you, go home. Like how? I said I love you, go.
That's not a propose.
That is what?
More propose.
More proposal.
Propose again.
Hey. If I'm there, things happen to my soul. So getting
Is he
married to
jumping
you
like that?
is a murder. Look, baby, I'm talking nonsense, baby. Propose again.
Your boyfriend is talking nonsense.
No, it's come
Why is
invisible.
he
Baby,
jumping like
propose
that?
again. I love you, go home. Like how? I said I love you, go.
That's not a propose.
That is what?
More propose.
More proposal.
Propose again.
Hey. Like,
Bro.
let's come back to mama. Why? Like, I don't know where Jimmy's at.
Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Yo. Why was he jumping like that, bro? Oh my god, that was funny. And he's definitely good. Yeah, he had the whole mimic and gesture on point. Like he was on point with with the acting and everything. That's how your famous be. Come on now. Oh, Mo, that was funny, bro.
70 years old man.
Men of this generation know how to cook. They know how to wash clothes. They know how to care for themselves, take care of the house. Okay. So if you think that men of this generation are looking for a woman who knows how to cook, mop, wash clothes, you're in a wrong generation. All we want in this generation is nyash. There is nothing you're going to tell us. All we want is nyash. If you don't have nyash, go back and demand for it. Let us continue moving if you want to.
Yeah, okay. Now, see, me personally, I need more than Yash. I need more than that. Nah, but Yash is live as well. Oh, boy. Oh, more. Nigerian Chinese. Okay. Why does it look like the young James Brown for some reason when they are drinking? Like, nice acting, nice acting. They have the whole thing on
Kim
point.
Sapa, we are here having tea, but
Kim
I've
Sakba
received
is wild.
distressing news. How is it possible that Captain Charles from the 4th Division was defeated by a mere palace security guard? Omalalomi, were there no resources for him? Did he not undergo training? Or did he not have access to proper nutrition? Or perhaps excessive yuka has diminished his strength? Peyo! Or do you think your money lori buku man? Train! You no train. Work out! You no do. Only they do not to open jet the shaft with domina for street. What the bow you pay jet?
Wait. So they're talking about the Charles Okocha and Portable fight, the boxing game they had. That's the whole thing they're talking about right now with the whole phenomenal thing. It's actually crazy how. Wait,
But that Omalalo me say no normal. In face strong that afternoon shit. I sure say you get a call for hand. Cause now giving you I want put in give chance. Make them get out with that problem. Even pay yourself, don't be shop one more for you. Make you no go greet your access to high go. Hey no! You don't let them mad. You won't make them clear your tongue join this tea. I beg tell them Malalo me say make them arrange a match with Charles. Yeah, baby! I go yana make them ready to rematch.
Yo, yo, that was actually funny and crazy. The Charles Okocha and Portable match. I was I mean, I was kind of shocked the Portable won, but like, what exactly did they do? Like, what exactly did they do that will determine a winner or not? Because I didn't see the fight, but I saw like highlights of the fight, and it was the funniest thing ever. I saw a Portable was going for training, but the way they were boxing, they were like people who never received a single boxing training in their entire life. They don't know like the basic of nothing. But it was funny. Their stance and how they were throwing the punches, it was funny, bro. But the thing is, it's actually a dope thing because now celebrities will start doing it, and then that's another way to like make money off the internet. So y'all watch out. Y'all might see me there at some point. I wanna come bust up some people and make money. But that would be funny though.
So you, I dare you to remove, stand up, I dare you to remove 10 things from your body now.
10 things.
Yeah.
No, that's impossible now. That's so ridiculous.
Lagos house parties.
You remove 10 things from your body now.
Impossible.
They can't dare.
My hand, my legs, and everything, even my head.
Oh, now you don't me. Pick any guy here and take him to the toilet and stay there for like 30 seconds before you come back. Pick any guy.
What would you?
You do anything now. Guys,
Exactly.
now
What
you know
would you
see go
do?
follow the girl. Just
No, I beg, I'm not doing it. Why?
What would
I
you
shall
do
be
in the
this
toilet
girl
for
and
30
what?
seconds?
now you just dey this blow job. Anything I want to, I will do am.
No. I don't understand.
Oh, now they do this party. Oh, me, I know they like all this kind.
That's too extreme.
Okay, pick any babe. Press her breast for like 30 seconds. Press her hands for like 30 seconds.
It's always 30 seconds. Every time. Always 30 seconds.
Let's go now.
These Lagos parties, not even Lagos parties, just like house parties in general.
Choose any boy of your choice.
It's just crazy.
Remove your panties. Twerk on his lap. Do lap dance. Twerk on well. Make you feel am. I mean, guys, how would I feel am now? Yes,
Bro, it's like this guy, man. I mean, bro.
No, I'm not.
Which one be prostitute? Just twerk.
I came here to have fun.
Just twerk on.
Twerk on any dude. I don't even know them. I don't even see guy. Don't stress.
Come on, this house parties now, conference of conji hungry people. Like conference of people who just get conji. Like, that's the people that be having this kind of parties, bro. What?
For what? God forbid I reject it. Who will see my pants and bra?
Which one be say?
No, I'm not. For what? What's that? Why am I even here? I beg. I reject it.
It's just a party.
No, I reject it.
Come on, we are adults here. You guys should be able now. Which one be say when I do like? Which one be say when I want spoil party for person? Guys, you guys are dulling this party now. Why not they dull this party now?
Party, but there is no one is dancing. It's like a
It doesn't make sense.
We are adults here now. Share anybody there with primary school students. We are adults now. It's someone's birthday now. You want to spoil someone's day for him.
But this house parties be so crazy, be so wild. You just want to do crazy things in there. That's crazy. This guy turned to a Nat Geo photographer. This song's actually nice, I won't even lie. Damn, the addicting is how did they do the addicting? That's crazy. They tried. Okay. They got this guy too. Yeah, if I'm gonna die, let me just dance like. They got this too. That's crazy. Yeah, that guy is he said it. Oh, that's the last one. Oh, oh my god, that was funny, bro. I enjoyed that one. That was funny. I really did enjoy that one. Yes, we've come to the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. If y'all did, leave a like behind, comment, and if you want to be part of the family, subscribe, put on the notification button so you know whenever we upload a video to the channel. So I hope to see you guys on the next one, and once again, happy New Year's, and may we all be great this year. Bye.